Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Today we are going to be making this delicious coconut soya pasta. This is the brand of pasta I will be using. You could use any of your choice. This is my coconut milk. I made that fresh. You could get the one in cans. This is my sliced tomatoes. This is leftover soya from yesterday. This is my shredded carrot. You're also going to be needing some crushed garlic. You'd be needing some thyme, some dried or fresh thyme, whichever you prefer. You'd also need some chopped spring onions. You would need some red onions and some soya pepper. That's optional anyway. You also need some white pepper, some salt and some seasoning cubes, and then salt for frying. Okay, so I just took out my pasta from the box. I love the shapes, very interesting, especially for kids. So I had my water already boiling with some salt in it, and I'm just going to pour in all of my pasta into the boiling water. And I advise you to check your pasta like after 10 minutes, and then you know how much time to give it again, because I do not enjoy soggy pasta. If you're like me, you want to check it frequently and taste it to be sure. So for me, I took it out of the fire at immediately 20 minutes after, and then I poured running water, cold water, in order to stop the process of cooking, because if it stays in the boiling water and in the heat, it's still going to cook for a bit before it cools down. So this process helps you keep your pasta firm. Okay, so I just go to my pot, I pour some oil. Once it's hot, I pour in my tomatoes and let it fry. I fry my tomatoes for about a minute or so, and then I come in with my onions. I mix it all together. I add my soya pepper. In my house, you guys already know, I feel like it's a song. We don't eat a lot of pepper, so I just use a little bit of it and I kept the rest. And then I also added my garlic, as you guys could have seen. Now I come in with the star of the dish, my leftover soya from yesterday. I just pour into the tomatoes and I continue to mix and mix and mix. Now I come in with my white pepper, my salt and my seasoning cubes. Now I'm going to introduce my coconut milk into this. If you cannot make fresh coconut milk, you can always buy from the stores. If you have it around where you stay, you can always buy from there, and you can use as much as you want depending on how moist you want your pasta to be. Okay, so after putting in the coconut milk, I cooked it again for about 5 minutes, and then I introduced my carrots into the mix. Now I'll go ahead and add my pasta into the mix, and I am just going to add it in batches. I'll add and I'll mix, and then I'll add some again if I think I should, based on the sauce that I have, because you want it to be moist. So after mixing it, I go ahead and add my chopped spring onions, and then I sprinkle in some thyme. And there you go, you guys, we have our coconut soya pasta. You want to try out this recipe. It was delicious. Everybody loved it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys on the next video.